Hey everybody, it's Julie at Quilts Plus, and I don't know about you, but I just sent out a teaser on a quilt that we have, and it just so happens it's just behind me, and it's called Wind Drifter. Now this quilt measures 65 by 65, and I'm going to try to see if I can just scooch us a little bit closer so you can see it. It's so pretty. Now this could be a wall quilt, or this could be a quilt that you could use as a throw quilt if you want to do that. It's just really beautiful. So I do have that as a kit. We do have that as a kit. It's $90, and that's the entire top of your quilt. So let me show this to you. It's really, really sweet. It's kitted up for you. It's all ready to go. And I'm going to turn it over. It's called Wind Drifter. There you go. You can see it. And then here's the pattern. Aren't these beautiful, beautiful fabrics that go with it? I mean, they're stunning. So we have this ready for you. You can give us a call at 269-383-1790 and grab your kit. Because we did the teaser, folks are already purchasing it. So it's just nice. It's a wonderful quilt. One thing that I love about this quilt, I'm just gonna focus in a little bit more. Look at the size of those pieces. They're so perfect because they're a nice big size, so it looks challenging, but it's not terribly challenging. And then the smallest pieces you have are those little flying geese, but they're not that little either. So they're nice size. It's a fun quilt to do. It's a perfect gift quilt. It's a perfect quilt for you, and the colors are fantastic. So give us a call again. We'd love to help you. We're gonna be here 10 to 5 Monday through Friday, and Saturday 10 to 3. So give us a call, and we'd love to have you come on in.